Hello, today I'm going to be taking you through our Philips 3000 series rice cooker. When we look at this rice cooker, what comes in the box? You have a wonderful little ladle, so you can use that as your rice spoon. Comes with a rice cup. Make sure you keep hold of this because this is what you measure your rice or your grains with. And then on the inside of the pot, it's got different levels where you fill the water to. So make sure you keep hold of this. Comes with a detachable power cord. And then finally, it comes with a steaming tray. This steaming tray is really great for steaming vegetables, fish or chicken or dumplings or anything like that. When we look at the pot, it's got a rice capacity of 10 cups and it has a really special Maifanshi coating. What that is that it is completely non-toxic and non-stick. It's got 6 layers made up of Maifanshi, ceramic and also alloy. So you know you've got a really nice durable pot. When it looks to cleaning and maintaining the unit, this pot can go directly into your dishwasher or you can give it a wipe down or put it in your sink with hot soapy water. The inside, if you do spill anything inside, make sure the unit is turned off because this is where the element is, but you can simply wipe it down with a soft or non-abrasive cloth. Then up the top here is your lid. I don't recommend that you do this every time, but every couple of times. You simply use the clips at the base to unclip the lid and you can wash this in some warm soapy water. It also has our anti-overflow valve here. So just simply rinse this under the tap and it will get it nice and clean. Pop it back in. Use the 2 tabs to place in. Make sure you pop the top in. And then clip the base in, put your bowl back in, and then if you want to clean the outside of your unit, again, simply wipe it down with a non-abrasive cloth. This is our wonderful Philips 3000 series rice cooker. I hope you enjoyed watching.